Hey Rob, wanted to shoot a quick video for you on posting properties on our website, whether that's for rent or for sale. So I'll have to redo your login credential, but anyways, you go to tc-investments.com/WP login. So this gets you the software that runs our site, which is WordPress. And so you'd have your login info. You just log in here, and once you're in, this will get you into the back dashboard. You're going to have limited functions just because you're not an administrator on here. But anyways, all you have to do is go to Real Estate Managers, Properties, Add New Property. And once we're in here, we're going to take your newest listing here. So all we do is we copy the address, paste that in here, take your description, copy and paste that in here. Oops. Let's get rid of this stuff. Okay, and it should only say that it's you when you're logged in as you, but you want to make sure it's you're the author, because that way when it's published it'll have all your contact info off to the side of the ad here. We would put in what the price is, $16.95 per month. The one weird thing about this software is you have to put in latitude and longitude. You can go to just about, this is just so it shows up on the map properly, but you can just type in GPS coordinates in Google. I just use this one, they're all pretty much the same. And then all you have to do is, again, you take this address, copy it, put it right in here, say give me the information, and once you have that, then just copy the latitude, put that in there, longitude, put it in there. That's a house, it's for rent, and the status is for rent. Again, we're taking what the address is here. We're in Minnesota, 55449. It's in Blaine, USA. Yep, you want to make it a featured property. And then for images, I uploaded all these, but if you were to say if they weren't in the media library already, you just hit selected file. We have all these Fergus properties, so all these like that, you just hit open and it'll upload it right in here. But since I already have all these in here, all the way down to here, hit those, it inserts them all. If you want to change like what the main featured image is, you can just drag and drop it to wherever you want, but since we want that one there. Internal structure, it was a 3-bed, I believe it was 2-bath. I don't know, I'm just guessing on a room, say it's 9. Property features, this isn't the greatest thing ever, but yes, attic. I don't know, trash compactor, has a fireplace, separate shower, has been remodeled, stone surfaces, there's a health club there, pets are allowed, laundry on site. So you have all of the main things, the general settings, the internal structure, property features, and if you want, then you can hit preview before we publish it to make sure it looks the way that you want. You can obviously edit these later too, but see, it's got all your info here. If they type in any contact info, it's going to go to your TC investments email, which is forwarded to your Gmail account. It has all your all your pictures in here, details on this, details of the property, features, and then the latitude and longitude. So it shows up on the map. And if everything looks good, you just go back in here, you hit publish. If you want, you can view it on the actual website. So under properties, and here's your property, and then you can hit details. Oh, so that's the one thing I did have wrong in there. I don't have the square footage listed in there. So let's go back here and edit. Where was that? Oops. Where's that listed here? Problem. Should be under general settings. Price, sales price. Anyways, just so I'm not going on forever here, I'll find where it is to put the square footage in, and I'll teach you how to do that, but just so this video doesn't go on forever. You got the general idea, and if you got any questions, just let me know.